Modern kitchen sink designs that look to attract attention. Kitchen sink is one of those things that you can't do without. It's not by any means a decoration but an absolute essential. Modern kitchen sink designs come in all kinds of shapes, sizes, and materials to not only accommodate your everyday needs but also become a nice decor accent in the kitchen. And while custom sinks will always look more resplendently incredible, manufactured designs usually provide more functionality. It's not to say that you won't be able to find a sink for your budget that will also look ideal in your cookroom, though. Cool modern kitchen sink designs. Undermount sinks seem to be most popular in modern kitchens because they make for that sleek aesthetic for which contemporary style is known and loved. Though such a sink doesn't attract much attention, being mostly hidden within an island or cabinet, it may create a beautiful color contrast with the countertop. Capito Muller interiors played with the black and white contrast, throwing golden brass details into the mix. The result is a gorgeous, stylish kitchen. You went for a different contrast but also used the metallic finish to create a nice combination. Here, the white goes well with both chrome faucets and matte sink. Chevron backsplash tiles accentuate this general color scheme, and gives the picture a more eye-catchy detail.